How did sin and evil come into our world? You may have asked yourself, why is there sin and evil in our world? When God created humans and saw all that He had made, it was very good. God loved people, and all that people would need was provided in the Garden of Eden. But would people choose to love and obey Him in return for all that God had done? And could God really trust humans in ruling over His creation? So God wanted to test people by giving a simple command. Every tree of the garden you may freely eat, but of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil you shall not eat. For in the day that you eat of it, you shall surely die. People were given a free will that could choose between obeying or disobeying God. They had a mind to understand the consequences of disobedience and had a very good reasons to believe that God had the best in mind for them. One day, a tester called Satan came to the garden in the form of a serpent. Satan is an evil spiritual being and the father of lies. Satan had no power to control Adam and Eve, but he craftily deceived Eve into disobeying God's command, and Adam joined her. They ate the fruit of the knowledge of good and evil because it looked pleasurable, beautiful, and would make them wise like God. God was so kind in providing all the fruit of the garden, but only one was forbidden. They thought God was withholding something good from them by that one forbidden fruit. They chose to believe Satan's lie rather than believe in God's goodness. This disobedience was the first sin and broke the peaceful relationship they had with God and with others. As a result of Adam and Eve's sin, every person is born alienated from their God, so they believe they need to be selfish in order to survive and be happy. We all likewise have been deceived. Instead of trusting and loving our Creator, we have chosen to trust in other things and have loved our own selfish desires. The truth is, happiness and safety was to be found in a trusting and loving relationship with Yahweh.